Ever wondered what it takes to use a DCP-type fire extinguisher correctly? Well, it's not rocket science, but a bit of knowledge can go a long way. Fire extinguishers are crucial safety tools, and knowing how to use them can make a difference in an emergency. But first, remember, your safety is paramount. Only attempt to fight a fire if it's safe and you're sure of a clear escape route. If not, evacuate immediately. So how does one operate a DCP-type fire extinguisher? It's as simple as remembering the acronym PASS, which stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Firstly, pull the pin. This pin is what secures the handle and releases the safety mechanism. Once you've pulled the pin, you're ready for the next step. Next, aim the nozzle. Here's a crucial tip. Aim at the base of the flames, not the center. You want to hit the fuel, not the flames. This method is most effective in putting out the fire. Then comes the squeeze. Discharge the extinguisher by squeezing the lever or trigger. This action releases the extinguishing agent that helps put out the fire. Finally, sweep the fire. Move the nozzle side to side to cover the entire fire base, not just one spot. This sweeping motion ensures you put out all the flames. Now, a few additional tips to remember. Always maintain a safe distance from the fire while using the extinguisher. Discharge the extinguisher in short bursts to conserve the agent. And remember, most DCP extinguishers are for single use only. So once you've used it, get it serviced and refilled. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the specific extinguisher you might encounter. How? By reading the manufacturer's instructions located on the extinguisher itself. It might seem like a small thing, but in an emergency, every bit of knowledge counts. So to recap, remember the acronym PASS. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the trigger, and sweep the fire. And don't forget to stay safe, conserve the extinguishing agent, and familiarize yourself with your specific extinguisher. So there you have it, the correct way to use a DCP-type fire extinguisher. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to safety.